Hey guys, it's me, Darth Maul Brick Studios here, and today I have my first custom showcase on my custom weapons. This is custom showcase number 17, and this first custom showcase is on my chain gun. And in these showcases, where I show my custom weapons, my turrets, and also my sniper tower, except for the base. That's a bit too difficult. I'll show you guys how to build them. So the chain gun is really simple. It's only a total of 6 pieces. So these pieces right here. Excuse me. So those pieces right there. And let's get started. There we go. So take this piece and put it in here, put it all the way down, and get this piece right there, then this one right here, then the microphone piece attached to there, and then that piece right there. So it's a really simple design. It's what most chain guns, custom chain guns look like. Sorry about that. Still a little sick, but I feel quite better. But that's really it too. It's a really simple design. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, add to your favorites, and subscribe. Go ahead and check my Basketball Pro channel, my Crazy Bricks production channel, my collaboration channel with Sebastian Schnell, LEGO Professional Studios, Bricks Media, Ultimate Bricks, Von 903, and Sebastian Schnell. So, onto this showcase, I'll see you guys next time.